Perched on the banks of the river Scheldt, Het Steen is Antwerp's oldest building and one of Belgium's most iconic medieval fortresses. Its origins date back to the 11th century, when it was constructed as a defensive tower to guard the river and protect the growing city. Over the centuries, Het Steen became the heart of Antwerp's fortifications, controlling trade and defending against invaders. By the 13th century, the fortress had expanded into a full castle with thick walls, towers, and battlements. It was central to Antwerp's defence during medieval conflicts, including struggles between local lords and the Dukes of Brabant. During the 16th century, Het Steen took on new roles as Antwerp flourished. While the city became a European trade hub, the fortress also served as a prison, holding political prisoners, pirates, and even some of the city's more notorious criminals. Its reputation as a grim jail was cemented during this period. The fortress underwent several renovations in later centuries, particularly under Spanish and Austrian rule, reflecting evolving military architecture. Yet, despite all the changes, Het Steen retained its medieval charm, a mix of Romanesque foundations and Gothic towers. By the 19th century, the fortress had lost its military purpose. Instead, it became a symbol of Antwerp's heritage. In modern times, Het Steen has been transformed into a museum and visitor centre, offering exhibitions about the city's history and its connection to the river. From its ramparts, you can enjoy sweeping views of the Scheldt, the old harbour, and the bustling city beyond, the same vantage point that soldiers and guards relied on for centuries. Today, Het Steen stands as a bridge between Antwerp's past and present, a medieval fortress, a prison, a museum, and a testament to the city's enduring history.